Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if it shows you the subscription is not active. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we can get started with making our translations. We have the settings option right here where we can get started setting up our application, and we have the DeepL translator from where we can get started upgrading to the pro version, as you can see right here, by choosing your plan. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the subscription not active or similar issues that you might be having with DeepL. So basically guys, what you want to do is verify your account status in the DeepL portal, or you want to go directly to the website and see what your status is to see if you have successfully bought a premium plan. So if you already have a premium plan, by showing this you want to reactivate a cancel subscription, make sure the time is not up and you have gone back to the free plan. So basically if it is, you want to reactivate your subscription directly here from the pro plan section. But if it still isn't working, you don't know what the problem is, you want to go to the help center right here, open up the help center, and from here you can get started with seeing what the problem is by getting in touch with the help center customer support, and you're going to explain to them what the problem is and they're going to walk you through step by step how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.